Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. It's been a few weeks since I've made a video. I just want to explain I've been on vacation and I apologize, but just needed a little break. Plus, I've been trying for about a week to make this video, but we have had so much rain and cloudy weather here. I just literally couldn't come out here and get any wattage out of any solar panels. Today was the first day I've really had great sun, so I figured I better jump out here and make this video while I could. But I had a company reach out to me, MHPOWOS. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But they asked me if I'd like to review their 100-watt flexible panel, and I agreed after I looked them up, checked out what they were about, what people thought of them, searched YouTube and the web, and I'll tell you what, they have a really good name. People do like their products, and now that I have this, I see why. My brother, about 2 years ago, ordered him a couple of the little 100-watt flexible panels, the little short white ones with the dark cells kind of like printed or melted into the white panel. And I'll be honest with you, they lasted really about just one summer. The sun baked them up, they cracked. He put them on his camper down in South Carolina, and they didn't last no time. He literally got one summer out of them. That left a bad taste in my mouth about flexible panels until this was sent to me. And I'll tell you what, they have totally changed my mind. No doubt this is quality. So I want you to know if a product is bad, I'm actually going to tell you because I don't want you wasting your money. I know money is just too hard to make anymore. This here, MHPOWOS, they are quality. I promise you that. Anything you order off of them as far as panels, I'm telling you, if they're half as good as this, grab them. And they're great on their prices. Actually, this right here, 100 watt, is $109.99 on their website, but they sent me a discount code. I'll have it and all the information of their website in the description below in the video. Check it out, and I really encourage you to go look at what they have. They have great items and a good selection. But let's get into it. This here is the MHPOWOS 100-watt flexible panel. It's got like a pebbled surface, a little bit rough, but I tell you what, it is nice. It ain't cheap. It ain't nothing you're going to scratch off or peel off. It's made with the upgraded monocrystalline / silicone ETFE coating. It's IP67 water resistant, so you ain't got to worry about it being left out in the rain, the dew. As long as you don't throw it in a creek or the ocean, I believe you're going to be okay. It's very strong, made very well. As you can see, it don't weigh nothing. It's not bigger than nothing. It's kind of like carrying a poster board from school, you know, that you buy your kid to do a little demonstration on. That's about what this feels like to me. The open circuit voltage, VOC, is 30.5. The short circuit current, ISC, is 4.8 amps. The operating voltage is 24.3 volts. And the solar efficiency is 23.5. I don't hear of that a lot in a rigid panel. You know, that's what I've got on my building and on my ground mounts, and they work great. But this right here is a game changer. From this point on, I'm telling you, when you see me outside doing testing on a power station, I'm not lugging out them big glass rigid panels. Right here is what I'm going to get out. And to be honest with you, I think I'm going to order myself a couple more of these right here, because I'm telling you, this is just great. Just put it in your hand and walk out with it. It's 39.5 inches long, tall, and it's 23.5 inches wide. It's 2 millimeter thick right here. So I'm telling you, I mean, it's under 4 pounds, 3.96 pounds. So, I mean, it's literally like carrying nothing. And something that I really do appreciate from MHPOWOS, a lot of your panels, even the glass rigid panels, they give you maybe a foot and a half of your MC4 cable. I've actually even seen some companies give you a half a foot, barely enough to even work with. I measured these. Each one is 3 foot long. You can't ask more than that, because I'm telling you, when you got an extension MC4 cable or Anderson, you need all the extra room you can get. Because let me tell you, when you buy them extension cables, it costs money. So I do appreciate that right there by MHPOWOS. They give you a manual that comes with it. And let me tell you, I am not joking you. Anything you want to know, it's in the manual, front and back. So any questions, it will answer it. They send you a Ziploc bag with 6 Velcro buckled straps. You've got 6 grommets, 3 on each side, and they're made for a Velcro strap right there. That way you can kindly tie it down to your camper, your RV, your tent, or just stake it off on the ground. That way the wind don't carry it off or flip it over. But I think that was pretty nice of them. A lot of companies don't give you nothing free no more. Let me tell you, you got to order everything. But that right there, I think is great. You get 6 of those. And I'll tell you what, got this new E1000 Pecron. We're going to try it out on charging it. We're just going to see what kind of wattage we get out of it. So let's go check it out. So I've got them laying out here in the yard. I was going to put them on a table, but I thought the sun's right over us, so I'm going to lay them flat on the ground. And if you can see, I don't know if you can or not, the pebbling on there. It almost looks like the scales of a snake. But I tell you what, so far these have worked out really good. And again, you got 6 grommets, 3 on each side, 3 foot of your MC4 cable. Let's see what we're bringing in. Got it hooked up here. Whoa, if you can see that, 87%, 88. Tell you what, that's a little bit more than I thought it would. That is great. So they are efficient. And again, like I said, where these are bendable, you can put these on top of your RV, your camper. The lap sealant that you use to fill up leaks and holes, you can put that on the back of this like a glue. Go around the corners, the edges, all the way around it. Lay it flat on your RV or camper, and it literally glues it down. Give it time to dry, probably a day or 2. But then you can travel with this on your RV or your camper, and you can be charging your power station as you're traveling. Or after you're set up, wherever you're at, the beach or a lake. This right here, you just plug it up to your power station, and again, you're charging as you're using it. So, like I said, these are just great. It's a game changer as far as the solar panels. Still getting 87, 88. Man, I did not think they would bring in that much, but they are. So, hey, right there, like I said, from now on, when I do my reviews on a power station and I'm outside charging, right here is the one I'm grabbing to bring out. A lot less work, and they do just as good as a rigid. I tell you what, they're not bad, and they're quality. That's the one thing I'm going to stress to you. These do not feel cheap. They don't look cheap. They are very nice. And again, you get 3 foot of the MC4 cable. So we'll head back over to the table. So like I was saying, 3 feet of your MC4. I mean, honestly, most of them, you're somewhere through here. So that's good by MHPOWOS. And again, they give you the Velcro straps, 6 of them with a buckle. Quality. That's all I can say about it. They're not cheap made. Honestly, I am going to buy me at least one. I'm thinking I might buy 2 of them. I mean, it'd just be great for on the go, when we go camping, just whatever we do. I can just bring them out of the house like that. They don't weigh much. And they have 18 months warranty. You ain't going to beat that on any flexible panel that I know of anyway. And another good thing, these right here will connect to parallel or series. That's another good thing. They didn't just slap them together and say, you can't do this and you can't do that. They're letting you do whatever you can do with a rigid panel. And like I said, you can bow them as much as you want. Well, I ain't going to say as much as you want, but to 240 degrees. So if you drop it, rub it up against your car or something, it ain't going to hurt it. It's protected very well. And like I said, I'm going to have a coupon code in the description along with their link, so in their website. So I do encourage you to check it out. Again, you can use these hanging on your tent, your RV, your camper, glue it to the roof of your RV or camper. These are used on boats where they have the hard shell. They glue them down on that. Or you can just take like a what do you call them, a cord with the hooks and just hook it to stuff. If the Velcro straps ain't long enough, that way you can just hang it wherever you want to. But I'm telling you, I wouldn't endorse anything that I thought was junk. These are not junk. These are very much quality, flexible panels. They have a 200 watt, the 100 watt, and if I can remember correctly, a 400-watt foldable panel, LifePo 4 batteries, just quite a few things in the solar world. So I do encourage you to check them out. I do thank you for watching the video. Like I said, I apologize. It's been a few weeks, but I had to take me a little break, a little vacation with the family. But I'm back. We're going to be coming out with another video here shortly. I do hope you continue to watch my channel, and I do thank you. And again, a big shout out to MHPOWOS, if I'm saying that correctly. But I do thank them for sending this. I was skeptical, but I tell you what, they've changed my mind. I encourage anybody to buy this. I mean, I recommend it highly. But hey, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. God bless.